Hi guys, Jordan here. I'm from Redfield and today we're going to look at this corner house in Taman Saujana Rawang. Okay, let's go. Alright, so when you drive your car in, the first thing you will see is that this is how the house looks like from the front. Alright, I'm going to open the gate after this, and here you have the front porch. So basically you can park your car with a covered parking. Alright, so let's go. The entrance from this pillar to this wall is 22 feet. Alright, so the standard house is 22 feet, and then the length is 70. Front to back is 70. Alright, so once you come in, you can actually fit 2 cars. And then now we will look at the garden on the left side. The total land area, luas tanah, is 4,250. So you have a lot of land down here, right? Yeah. So actually, if you look at the location, we are at one corner of the Taman, and this road here is a small road, so not many people will drive through. And behind of the house is already the boundary. So there's actually a deep monsoon drain that acts as a natural barrier also. Yeah, so even though there's a wall, it doesn't mean anybody can come across because there's a big monsoon drain behind. A small monsoon drain, but it's quite deep. Yeah, so this is the land. Alright, very nice. And I will just walk to the other side so we can see how it looks like. Alright. Yeah, so this is the house, guys. Okay. So now let's go and look at the back of the house. Yeah. A lot of people actually in this neighborhood, they're already renovating the house, so they will fully cover the back. If you want to, you can also. So like our neighbor here also, they have already extended to the back, plus a reverse back balcony at the back. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so now let's go into the house and look at the house from the inside. So this is the main door. It's on the right side of the house. When you come in, you can actually see the staircase, but it's blocked by this partition. Yeah. So the first thing I'd like to mention is that you have an open concept. This will be your living space. You can put your sofa down here. Your TV will be there, and then you have this sliding panel door to the front. You can put your dining table here. You put some nice lights on top here, and this part here can be your dry kitchen. You can put your fridge down here, and also install your kitchen cabinet upwards. Alright, so on the bottom side here we have a +1 room. It's actually a bedroom already. Yeah. Okay, so if you have any like parents that prefer to stay on the ground floor, this will be ideal. Yeah, so next to the room you actually have a bathroom and a shower. Okay, so the next thing I'd like to show you, this is the dry kitchen. Behind of this, you can actually fully cover and wall up the place to build a wet kitchen. Alright, so there's a lot of space behind this. Yeah, and now let's go and look at the back of the house. Yeah, you can actually come out through this door, and then there's a small little park. Your neighborhood Taman is also there. Alright, and then like I was mentioning, there's a drain down here, that provides a big barrier from outside people to come in. Okay, now let's go and look at the upper floor. Alright, so this is the living space. Yeah. Okay. So once you are done makan already, everything, you go up the staircase. Yeah, you have a hand railing down here. Okay. And this is how it looks like. So the first thing I want to show you is that this house actually have a double high ceiling. Alright. Yeah. So here to here is almost 2 stories. And then you have the windows on top there. Why the developer do like this? It's so that he gives you better ventilation and all the hot air will go up. So that in the afternoon, this place will be very cold. Alright. Okay, now on the left side you have the master bedroom. Yeah, 2 by 2 tiles, huge piece of frontal window. Alright, and then you have the side windows also. So this room has ample lighting. Yeah, and then after that you can open the window This is the top of the car porch. You notice the color is different. That's because the owner has already done their waterproofing for the roof. Yeah, so this is just to be sure that there is no leaking in the issue in the future. If you want to, you can always build a balcony on this area also. Yeah, okay. So let's close the window. Okay, so now this is the master bathroom. Yeah, the first thing I want to show you is that they already have a concrete countertop, okay, made of tiles, and the tiles is all the way up to the ceiling. Yeah, so that means when you shower, the water that hits the wall is easy to clean instead of halfway. Okay, the owner has also installed a water heater, and they have a water pump to improve the pressure of the upper floor units, upper floor rooms in this house. There's a water pump inside, okay? Yeah, so now let's go and look at the second room. Yeah, you have a window and you have an ensuite bathroom behind. Yeah, let's look outside the window. Yeah, this is the view, guys. Wow. Okay, this is the view from on top of the house, from the second room. And there's actually a lot of trees behind, so it's very quiet and very green and also very cool. Yeah, okay, next, this is the shared bathroom between the bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Yeah, okay, so you got a sink here, you got a WC, and you got a shower. So once again, it's fully tiled from here all the way up. Fully tiled, huh? Yeah. So maintaining the bathroom is much easier and better. Okay? So yeah, you got 2 doors. Okay, so I will go back out. Yeah, and this is the house, the room. This is the third room from the other side. Okay. Yeah. So this window actually you can see this is the neighbor house lah. They have done up a bit of balcony down here. Yeah, alright, this is the view. So okay guys, with that we are done with the house. Now I will just walk us back down and then we are done watching the video. Okay, so when you're done, you come down. Yeah, you make sure you hold the staircase on the right. Yeah. Okay. And then you can go out from this door. Yeah, and this is how it looks like outside of the house. Yeah. So the road here is actually very wide also. Yeah, and then you have some trees to provide additional shelter. Yeah, okay. So guys, that is the end of the viewing today. If you would like to view this house, if you're interested to buy this house, let us know. And we can arrange for you and your family to view the actual property. Alright guys, thank you everyone. Bye bye.